Hi guys, here is another system of equation, and this question is a little hard because it's asking if it's no solution, how much is your R? And now we don't have any choices to enter like the previous question. Okay, so let's start and see how we do this. 48x minus 64y equal to 48 y plus 24. The next tab, ry is equal to 1/8 minus, minus 12x. Then we hit the enter and is giving you a slider over here. All you have to do is, you see the blue line over here, we need it parallel to the red line. So if you increase the value, you see it's going to be like, you see the slider. But now we need to change the slides over here from, for example, negative 30 to positive 30. Then you go one step each. That means it's going to give you only the integer numbers, no decimal, no fraction. Then you go and slide and see you moving toward, yes, 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 is going. We can enlarge this a little bit so we can see well. There we go, negative 23 or negative 28. If you minimize, you see the two lines is not intersecting, so your answer is negative 28. And you need to train yourself to put. And people ask me how you put from negative 30 to positive 30. I put around the numbers you are given over here. So you got like 60 and 40, so I put 80. I put 30. You can put whatever you want until you slide the slider over here and see when they're gonna be parallel lines. So I got negative 28, as you see. Oops. Negative 29 is intersecting somewhere around here. So we just go negative 28, and this is a parallel line. And that's your solution, negative 28.